So I have just taken out the letters that we need to build these words. You can take out a lot more letters or however many you like. You can take out the whole alphabet for the children to choose from. So we are going to start to build this word, bat. For goodness sake, do not eat it. So I'm going to start by going, what does this sound like? Ba-at, ba-at, ba-at. But what is the first letter you hear? It's a B. So you can put that letter there. And now emphasize the next letter. So ba-at, ba-at. What's the next sound that you hear? It's an A. And then the last sound, ba-at. It's a T. And then we would carry on and do the same thing for dog, 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 dog. And the next one is a little bit harder because it's not just 3 letters, but it's still phonetic. Frog. And the last one, which you probably shouldn't eat either, is a rat. Rat. It is possible that you are not sitting right now with a bat or a dog or a frog or a rat in your house. So you could substitute it for other things like a pot or a hat or a mat. But what comes next is that you get the child to write these words down, so it's their own book. You can either draw lines for them to write between, or you can just use the paper like I have and don't worry about that and get them to write and then draw a bat, which you could even draw it yourself for them, which I'm not very good at, so it doesn't matter. And then we would carry on and do the same for the next word. I'm not even going to try and draw it, but small children can draw it and color it in.